안녕하세요.
Okay, 안녕하세요, marry me. So, since yesterday, you failed again. So, this day is, akong task nimo yesterday is mag-write ka og 10 times, right?
Yes.
And today is retest. So, na-complete na ba nimo ang task writing 10 times?
Yes.
Very good. So, please give it to me. So, marry me completed the 10 times writing for the retest. So, I will be having 10 random questions for you. 2 times 7.
14.
3 times 8.
3 times 8. 24.
4 times 5.
20.
5 times 9.
45.
6 times 8.
48.
7 times 9.
63.
8 times 7.
8 times 7. 56.
9 times 4.
36.
2 times 8.
16.
6 times 7.
6 times 7. 6 times 7. 42.
Okay, so marry me as I observe is what do you call that one? Loading ka sa pag-answer. So anyways, naka-pass ka but still mag-self-study ka ha. Okay. So naka-pass ka but still I want you to have a self-study with regards of the multiplication table.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, so very good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, everyone.
안녕하세요.
For this afternoon, our activity is all about onomatopoeia in context worksheet. So when we say onomatopoeia, it refers to the words that imitate the sounds associated with the objects or actions they refer to. Okay, so we have here different sentences, and I want you to use your magnetic board to answer with a word from the word box as you can see in the board na akong gisuwat. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's start our activity. Okay, for number 1, the popcorn went blank in the microwave. The popcorn went blank in the microwave. Okay, so the answer is very good. Now let's have number 2. The car blank quickly around the corner. The car blank quickly around the corner. Okay, so how about the other students? The answer is
Zoomed.
no, it's not zoomed. It's zoomed. Again?
Zoomed.
Okay, again, what is the answer? Okay, dili zoomed ha. Zoomed. Okay, let's have number 3. The students were blank in the classroom. The students were blank in the classroom. Okay, how about the other students? So, unsa ang answer?
Chattering. Chattering.
Again?
Chattering.
Very good. Now let's have number 4. Number 4, the delivery man blank on our front door. The delivery man blank on our front door. Okay. How about the other students at the back? So what is the answer?
Knock.
Very good. Again?
Knock.
Knocked. Let's have number 5. The audience blanked at the end of the play. The audience blanked at the end of the play. Again, The audience blank at the end of the play. What is the answer? Very good, sis Sophia. I mean to si Eliza. I-erase imong answer, Eliza. Erase imong answer. Ipasakay imong answer, Inday. Sakto to siya. Sige, balik og copy. Suwat. Okay. So the answer is clap. Very good. So let's have number 6. The dog blank at the intruder. The dog blank at the intruder. Okay, correct. How about the other students? No, your answer is wrong. Ang correct answer is si Jillian May and Sophia, which is barked. How about the other students at the back? Okay, so very good. Mauna siya ang atong topic. It's all about, unsa gani? Onomatopoeia. Again, all about?
Onomatopoeia.
One of the figure of speech. Again, one of the figure of?
Speech.
Okay, very good.
So, panjapo na mo diri sa
Asa nung mean? Number?
1. Pwede rin copy.
Di ba? Duha man ang parentheses na. So, asa ang naa sa left nga parentheses mo unahon ni mo og
So,
Asa
So,
number? Asa number?
1.
Bisag asa? Ay, kanang
Dili bisag asa. Dili bisag asa kay ang paano ginanan niya kung asa ang naa sa left. Termi ang naa sa left ko, unsay naa sa left na una.
So, left mo. Ani? Adari.
Ito ba mga dere?
Ari? Asa ko lagi ko ito?
So, pwede ra gihapon pwede mangutana kung may ikaligda. Pero di ko matugan sa okay. Sa meaning sa PEMDAS? P for?
Parenthesis.
Okay, bale. P for?
Parenthesis. Exponent.
Okay, subtraction. So, si kinsa ra ang pwede magkabali?
Si multiplication.
Si multiplication o si division. Unahog answer ang naa sa left. So, the way ka mag-answer is left to right. So, si addition o si subtraction rapod ang pwede magbali. Nara na bugyan ko mong na cheers!
nalipat na sa science si Jovan. Dili na 4 times 3 ha. Kasagaran sa exponent ba yun yung sangit. Hindi na ako nalipat sa exponent. Ayaw mo kalipat sa exponent ha. Example number 1, 4 to the power of 3. Kaya din siya 4 times 3. Ang 4 katulaon pagbalik. 4 times 4 times 4.
Multiply by itself.
Oh, ayaw nyo. Ganyan. Dili 4 times 3 yan. Ginalipat. Kani nasa box hinganion. Dili hinganion na. Dili. Katulad ng 4.
Oh, nanabay na sampulan na nasa L1.
Nalipating yun. Tara. Forward 2, 3. Okay, man. Okay, who wants to answer number 1?
Good.
Kinsay ganahan mo answer number 1. Okay, Kinshin.
Gusto mo na check?
Okay.
Caring for others.
Yeah.
Good. Number 1, good. Check that. Number 1, good. Number 2, telling lies, bad. Okay, number 2, bad. Check na lang. Good, number 1, bad, number 2. Okay, next. What's the answer? Aside from Anna, how about the others? Okay, Mark.
Sharing what you have.
Means good. Okay, good. Number 4. Ashley. Being greedy. Bad. 4. Bad. Number 5.
Not doing what I need. Bad.
Okay, 5. Bad. Nakapas na ba? Nakapas na? Okay, number 6. Isa wala pa. Bidan. Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening.
So, karon mag-unsa man ta ninyo?
Mag-brush.
Okay, so, you may start na. So, we have Cindy, Anna, Raisa, Andrea, and Bidang. We have Jindy and Bidang. Smile, be. Sa mga nag-toothbrush. Okay, first, Jindy. Next. Go, Bidang eh. Next, we have Anna. Kagwapo, uy. Next, mana ka lang? Rachel. Kangay, mangisir. And the last one. Isa wala pa? Andrea. Okay, we will wait for Andrea. The last one is Andrea. Napa, dirigil lang. Napa, kilid, napa. Papa natarong, napa itubig. Panagkan. Ngisibi. Okay. Alright. So, unsay nabati naman na mag-toothbrush. Mga langga. Brush. How about you, Jinty and Bidang? Usar, wag gansi. Takyap na rin ay. Okay. So, kamsamida.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, L2.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening.
So, karon is mang toothbrush na sadta. So, start na magpag-toothbrush ta. So, si Cyrus. Ito ni, si Giselle. Si Sheena. Hi, Laika. Si Rusi Balasi. And Tantan. And also Jovan. So, humana og saan say feeling sa humanag toothbrush? Bugnaw. So, mura ba na inyong gibati karon? Wala ba ka ng, sure, sakit ako ang kuan, sure, giluasan ko kay ng toothbrush ko. Sure, ng toothbrush ko kay sakit akong tiyan. Wala ba? Okay ra? So, fresh kayo, no? Dili na ta mga bad breath, ane. Ang mga smile, be? Ang mga smile. Syra, Giselle, how about Sheena? Jovan. Hi, Laika. And Rosie. So, kamsahamnida, L2.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Min, ay nanawag. Mama.